Hello, good evening. It's about 10 o'clock, and if you look, you notice something a little bit different about my John Deere 445 now. You will notice that, what is that? There is that grass clippings? That is grass clippings on there. Oh no. I went out in the yard and threw some grass clippings on it just to make it look like it worked. Just kidding. Actually, I did my first mowing with it. I ain't got the deck adjusted right, I don't think. I have to look at it in daylight because I did mowing at 10 o'clock at night, or 9:30 at night. So, with no seat back, by the way. Absolutely no seat back. So, got to get that working. Spent all day fighting this stupid thing. That pulley, trying to get that thing figured out, and just figured out that it ran for an hour out there. My spindles are running about 135 degrees to 140 degrees if you shoot them right underneath there. If you shoot them underneath there, if you shoot them on top, they're like 118 degrees right there on the spindle head. So I figure that's pretty good. I think the gearbox is running 118 after running a half hour. Finally figured out why my mower deck wasn't adjusting, wasn't going up like it used to. And on this stupid 3-point hitch, the guy that sold it to me, if you see right there, there's a bar, there's a hole right there. See that hole with the paint missing on it? Well, there's a bar that comes out here and attaches to this. And my John Deere dealer said he'd never seen that before. It's supposed to be a it like stops it from coming up so far, and it keeps it only coming up so far. Well, it was keeping the mower deck from coming up so far and traveling. So finally figured that out after raising it up and lowering it. But finally got my clips in the front. These two clips, finally found them stupid things in a box of stuff I had marked old John Deere parts. And it was brand new John Deere parts. I should have put new John Deere and old John Deere parts in them. But didn't overheat. Ran good. Mowed right here. I'll show you. I don't know how much you'll be able to see, but let me get a light here. Get light. Thanks, Musty One. I love this light. This thing is awesome. But I think it's done a pretty good job. I know that's kind of hard for y'all to tell, but see if I can look at the camera and try and get a video of it. But I mowed the whole front yard, and I noticed that when I turn, it's kind of, if you look, it's kind of like right there. Do you see that little strip? When I turn, it's leaving little strips in it, or uneven spots, but it looks pretty good other than just the grass, the thick grass sitting on top of it. But I think I got it working right. Thank God. It's only been 3 years trying to get this stupid thing working. But sorry, don't make you guys dizzy. But yeah. So hopefully this will be done next weekend. Get the seat back welded on, and I'll show you the out here. Get my keys out. Sorry, should have come prepared, right? Or actually just learn how to edit videos would be nice. Here, I'll give you guys some entertainment. Here, let me back up here. No stupid people past this point. I've had several people tell me they don't know how I ever walked through that door. And I tell them I don't know what they're talking about. This is my shop full of crap that needs to be done. That's a yard roller. That's a rake that I built out of dump rake or baling teeth. Oops, sorry about the beeping sound. My alarm just detected motion in the shop. But that's going to be a yard roller, hopefully one of these days. Where was I doing? What was I doing? Oh, here we go. Yeah. Here's the old seat back. The old, Let me shut these lights. This is the old seat back right here where it welded to that. And it had those 2 bolts, and it had some stupid armrest on it. But I'll turn around. If you see that right there, this is just a little too wide, and these arms right here are just a wee bit too long. They're too long for armrest, so we don't use armrest around here. So what I'm doing is I'm gonna take these and I'm gonna cut them out, weld them on, and then drill the holes in them and mount them and paint them, and they'll look a lot better than that sticking off the side of the seat. I cut the armrest on them off of them when I bought the seat off the 0 turn, and it just seemed to work a whole lot better. And let's see here. What else? Oh, thank you, Fireball Tools. Love them, love them, love them. Another musty one. Great addition to my shop, which I absolutely love, which I use more than all of them up there. That's my funky tree. Everybody's got an upside down. My sister's got an upside down Christmas tree. A lot of people got upside down Christmas trees. I got an upside down welding tree. But that is going to be the next project. Good Lord willing. Oh, it just detected motion in my shop again. That's going to be the next project. I've built the bumpers, and oh man, I built so much stuff for that. I got sorry, that stupid camera keeps picking it up. I got a ton of stuff to do. I got the handlebars have been split, got snorkels on it, but hopefully that'll be the next project I work on this winter. So stay tuned for that. I'm going to do that. And that big old piece of steel you see over there, let's see if we can get a better picture of it. A big old piece of steel right there, that's going to be a hydraulic dump bed. I got the pump over there on the, there's the pump, and I just got to get a cylinder for it. But that's going to be a dump bed, and I got set of wheels that John Deere wheels that you know, see my license plates. But oh, sounds like my washing machine's having a seizure, I think. But anyway, hopefully that's the next project, and like I said, I got the, hopefully I'll start messing with that too. Get that set up and cut it down a little bit, and start building the framework. But I got a pretty good sized bed there to build a dump bed on for my garden tractor. I got a set of wheels and tractor lug tires that match my tractor. But anyway, thanks guys for watching, and subscribing and liking or disliking. I don't care if you like it or dislike it, you know. I'll make them. I don't care if you like them or not. I'll still make them. Just let me know if you don't like them. I won't make those, as many of those. But anyway, have a good day, and talk to you guys later. I'm going to go inside and get